Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum Math Grade 3 Quarter 4 Lesson 1 Day 3. Our topic for today is about divide mentally numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 using appropriate strategies. Multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify strategies for mentally dividing numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Perform mental division of numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 using different strategies, and apply mental division of numbers in real-life situations. Directions: solve and give the inverse operation for each number. If you have 20 candies and you want to share them equally among 5 friends, how many will each friend get? Answer: each friend will get 4 candies. That's 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Let's read. A family is taking care of 45-day-old chickens that are no longer productive as layers or egg-laying hens. They have 50 of these chickens. The child quickly approached and started helping the father. They divided their chickens into 5 coops. How many chickens should the father and child place in each coop? Answer: they should place 10 chickens in each coop. There are many situations in our lives that require quick thinking. This is called mental calculation in math. In our story, do the father and child still need to get paper and pencil to count how many chickens to put in each coop? Answer: no, because they can use division in their mind to know how many chickens go in each coop. One strategy is to memorize the multiplication table from 1 to 10. If you have 5 coops and 50 chickens to place, think of a number that when multiplied by 5 gives 50. How many banana toppings did Aling Hilda put on each hot cake for her child? Answer: she put 4 banana toppings on each hot cake. How many pieces of hot cake did Aling Hilda pack for her child? Answer: she packed 3 pieces of hot cake. How many banana toppings did Aling Hilda put in total on the 3 hotcakes? Answer: she put 12 banana toppings in total. 3 hotcakes and 4 toppings equals 12. If Jomel has 10 pieces of hot cake, how many banana toppings would there be? Answer, there would be 40 banana toppings. 10 hot cakes times 4 toppings equals 40. Directions. Answer, what is asked in each number? Do this on your answer sheet. 1. What is the result when 12 is divided by 4? Answer, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 2. The result when 30 is divided by 10 is blank. Answer, 30 divided by 10 equals 3. 3. Divide 35 by 5. What is your answer? Answer, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 4. What is the answer when 45 is divided by 5? Answer, 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 5. What do you think is the result when 10 is divided by 2? Answer, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 'Directions: answer the following. Write your answers on your answer sheet. 1. Romeo has 6 pet goats. If he divides the goats into 2 pens, how many goats will be in each pen? Answer, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 goats. 2. Maria divided 12 pieces of yema among her 4 classmates. How many pieces did each one get? Answer, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 pieces of yema. 3. Aling Cora bought 30 kilos of pork. She divided it into 3 boxes. How many kilos should be placed in each box? Answer, 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 10 kilos. 4. You were given 50 pesos allowance for your 5 siblings. How much allowance does each one get? Answer, 50 divided by 5 equals 10. Answer, 10 pesos. 5. Your mother bought 50 kilos of rice for your business. You need to divide it into 10 sacks. How many kilos will you put in each sack? Answer, 50 divided by 10 equals 5. 5 kilos. How does knowing multiplication tables help you divide mentally? Answer, multiplication tables allow us to find division answers quickly since division is the inverse of multiplication. Solve the following. 1. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. 2. 63 divided by 3 equals 21. 3. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 4, 80 divided by 5 equals 16. 5, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Solve the following. 1. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 3. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 4. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 5. 90 divided by 10 equals 9. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!